uplift the elephant umbrella. If you're going to 99, mpaka mage amangwagia. If when you talk about humanity, when you talk about the people who are working very hard individually to make sure that they benefit Igbo, to make sure that they change life when it comes to the Igbo community. Okay for Okuro and Igbo. Okay for Los Zeus. Mmadụ na-aba anụ a. Far go so hard, you effort that now they make an impact. They make a serious impact, both Igbo land, Nigeria and international. Maka one thing they give very certain bona. In what hana human being trust. For human being to trust you in what you are doing, draw easy. For human being to give you money to buy this or that for him or her, draw easy. And the most hard job in this life of trust. All trust will be most hard job. And Los Zeus and the Okuro order have shown us that you can trust them. And show that life can be better. And shows that you can do it with yourself. Look at the impact they are making. Look at the life they are changing. Look at what they are doing in our society. These people should be celebrated. Let's pay attention to what they are doing and celebrate them. And when you can make your own impact, you start now. Because our people know how to complain. We know how to judge. We know how to say all sorts of things. But we don't encourage people who are working very hard to benefit, to change the life of common man in the society. Uplift the elephant umbrella, even a good of 99. Mpaka na maga amangwagia. Okuro and Los Zeus have made a lot of impact in our society. Have made a lot of impact. They should be celebrated. You gotta go. Look at what they are doing in and outside social media. Look at the impact they are making. Look at the life they are changing. Odiro easy. Mmadụ ga-eme ya, ọ bụ ndị mmụọ ga-eme ya. Ha nwe iwepụta onwe ha na-eme ya odiro easy. Ha nwe wepụta onwe ha na-agba mbọ ịfụ na people's problem are solved odiro easy. Ọ ife ọṅụ ka ọ bụ, ọ ife common man na society kwesịrị na-engomi. Instead of ị nọ na complain, ị nọ na judge, gị chọọ uwe ị ga-eji benefit your fellow man. Gị chọọ uwe ị ga-eji change life of a fellow man. Because these two people have shown us example that you can do it, that it is possible, that life can be changed with you. And everything in life starts with you. Okuro and Los Zeus has done it. They have shown Igbo community that we are somebody. They have shown Igbo community that we can help ourselves. Share this video. Share this video. Tell